Hello, myself Dr. Shivakant Pathak, here with you to see a question from G Advance 2020. The question is, a light disk made up of material. This material is non-magnetic material is kept horizontally according to this diagram here. See, this is the disk here, and free to rotate about an axis here shown in the diagram. A strong magnet whose is held vertically at a point above the disk away from the axis. On revolving the magnet about the axis of the disk will, here four options are given. The option A is rotate in the direction opposite to the direction of magnetic motion. Option B, rotate in the same direction as the direction of magnetic motion. Option C is not rotate and its temperature will remain unchanged, while the last one is not rotate but its temperature will slowly rise. So this is the question. Now move towards the solution here. Right? To see the solution, first of all, see here it is in the diagram here. To see this diagram, this is the axis of rotation. This dotted line is there. A disk is not made up of non-magnetic material. We may take any material such as aluminum, copper, etc. of this disk. This disk is free to rotate about the axis here. A strong magnet whose north pole is downward is kept vertically above to the disk, and it is away from the disk. Sufficient distance from the disk. See very carefully here in this case. Right? This disk is allowed to rotate around this axis of rotation in this circular path. Right? So when it's rotate around this, here seen the diagram, rotate. Suppose this is the axis of rotation. See my finger. And vertical magnet is moved like this. See the cursor here. It's moved in a circular path. Right? When it's moved in a circular path, clear, due to this movement of the strong magnet around the given axis of rotation here, when it's rotate, right, the disk, metal disk, non-magnetic material disk, experiences change in magnetic flux. This non-magnetic material is conductor. Like non-magnetic material is either copper or aluminum is there. So it is a conducting material. It experiences change in magnetic flux. Right? Change in magnetic flux. When this rotates in a circular path around this, change and feels change in magnetic flux. See very carefully, the magnetic line of forces emits from a north pole. Right? Two magnetic loops are formed on either sides. See, this is one of the side, another here in this side. When it's move around this, due to Lenz's law, whenever a conductor feels change in magnetic flux, an electromotive force is set up by that. When its electromotive force is set up, then induced current is drawn according to the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Since this magnet, since this moved in a circular path around the axis of rotation, So it's this currents form a loop here in a circular path. And a lot of loops were formed. The current moves in a circular path on the surface of metallic disc. So this is from eddy current. In Hindi, it is called bhavar dharaएं, eddy current. This eddy current is just like as it is formed at the when a river bend at a certain point. So when water current is flowing that at the turning, it's form a eddy current. Eddy currents of water. Same like this eddy current is formed here. Clear? As the influence of this eddy current, this disc starts rotate in the direction of this. Here see carefully, this strong magnet rotate. But in comparison to the rotation of the magnet, this disc rotate very less speed, with very less angular velocity, because not 100% this rotating energy is converting in form of electrical energy. Right? And this influence, due to this, due to this, its heat is also generated. The answer is given in two ways. The first way is when a magnet moves, it produces a state where the plate through the magnetic flux, and due to which and EMF is generated in the plate and eddy currents are induced. These currents are such that it opposes the relative motion, that is, disc will be in the direction of rotation of a magnet. One thing. Second way, we can also give the answer. This is according to Lenz law. The disc also try to move in same direction because the backward part of the disc, the flux reduces as magnet move and as there is a change in magnetic flux due to the rotation. So there is eddy current produced which leads to the production of heat. These currents are such that it opposes the relative motion, so the disc will rotate in the direction of rotation of a motion. So we may say that in the all four options, the B option is correct, where the option B gives rotate in the same direction as the direction of magnet motion. But one thing is important here to see. See the question here. Right? Here is a production of heat. So option B can be right, the temperature will slowly rise, but not rotate. It will rotate along. So it will rotate. That is why option B is not correct. Right? It is not it is a partial correct. So option B is correct. So this is for the answer. I hope you have enjoyed this. We will continue meeting in this phenomena. This is for today only. Thank you and have a nice day to all.